Are you taking full advantage of all that the Pro Partner program has to offer? By partnering with Veeam, you can take full advantage of PartnerPerks, an incentive program exclusively for our valued resellers and service providers. If you are a sales, technical, or marketing rep, you can earn cash and merchandise every time you engage with Veeam. Getting started is easy. Simply log into the Pro Partner portal to access PartnerPerks. Complete activities such as selling Veeam solutions, taking out the competition, earning certifications in Veeam University, meeting with net new accounts, sending co-branded marketing campaigns, posting on social media platforms, and more. Veeam is always adding new and exciting activities, such as 2x rewards and other limited time promotions. Check back often so you don't miss out. When you are ready to redeem your points, you can choose from various store gift cards, e-gift codes, popular electronics, or a reloadable debit card. You can even plan your next vacation. Enjoy it, because you earned it.